मौसम गर्मा में अवाम ठंडे मशरूबात का ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं ताकि गर्मी से राहत मिल सके। मशरूबात में रूह अफ़ज़ा भी शामिल है। जी हाँ, कई सालों से रूह अफ़ज़ा की पहचान ही कुछ और है। रूह अफ़ज़ा का छोटा पैक बाजार में दस्तयाब रहेगा। 28 अप्रैल को इस छोटे पैक का इफ्तिताह चीफ सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग ऑफिसर मंसूर अली के हाथों अमल में आया। इस इफ्तिताह के मौके पर और भी दीगर लोग मौजूद थे।
250 ml, it is a good pickup price. It's an economical price, and we want newer consumers to try this, which is why we are introducing it in the South. It's the right market to be launching a new product in this country. Always calculate the target not in terms of volume, but we always target in terms of how many outlets we want to reach. So we want to reach about 10,000 outlets in the first 2 months with this launch. With people for centuries through generations and generations. But you're right, I think the larger idea is that we want to reach out to a new set of consumers, and we want to also focus on the youth, because the youth is also driving a lot of sales nowadays. So this is the first initiative, but in the coming year you will also see a lot of other initiatives where we will have probably different flavors and different variants coming. Youth, we also want to extend our product to people who are also diet conscious. So along with the variants that I just mentioned, we would probably be looking at a product that could be used by diabetics, which is more on the sugar-free side. A lot of innovations are under product development right now, and we would like to speak about them when the moment is ready and the launch is ready.